Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to use AI Transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So first you want to simply navigate into your voice recorder. Now in here we can see we have few recordings. I will try to get into the Shaw here. But of course it is pretty long, it's almost 1.5 minutes long, so let's just not worry about it and let's go into the transcribe. Now it will lively transcribe everything. So we want to select language, we can go into English, because I did talk in English on this in this recording, and now we can wait for a moment. As you can see, of course, the longer the recording, the longer it will take. It's completely normal. For, as you can see, 1.5 minutes of rambling, we have this, which is pretty cool. And now we have this nice the whole night silk song. Amazing. Well, the AI almost managed to do that, but that's still a lot of text, so we can improve it even further by, for example, going into AI here, and we can just summarize it. So let's go with OK. And we have what this is about, and as you can see, it is Silksong's supreme status, that the Silksong is considered the best game ever. Despite limited experience with other games, there is strong adoration for Silksong with willingness to make sacrifices for it, and Silksong is predicted to win Game Awards in 2025. I think this is a great summary for that recording, and I think it's a nice marking for the end of the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time, and play Silksong!